Hello, today we're going to be talking about Australian laurel and we're going to be planting some into some pots. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to talk about a few features of the Australian laurel. So, full sun, it can withstand full sun to heavy shade, can be easily transplanted, withstands severe pruning, it's an evergreen shrub, fast growing. Okay, so I'm going to be planting some into pots now. This is just a regular garden soil, nothing special, no compost. That's it. I probably could use some bigger pots, but I'm just going to be using these little ones for now. Okay, just like that. Now this is quite clay soil, so I'm going to be keeping it quiet and not going to be watering it quite a lot, so don't have a root rot or anything like that. So I'm going to plant the rest up now. Okay, so they are all in pots now. So soon we're going to be doing a update on how they're growing and possibly planting them or putting them into bigger pots. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for the future video and see you in the next one.